Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll teach you how to increase your boobs and booty. So first of all, what you need is just an application. So let's go to this sweet selfie. From this sweet selfie you can do anything. So I'll just click on this sweet selfie. What we're gonna do is go to edit, and I'm going to select it. So the reason I'm selecting this is because I like this picture, and this is the perfect, this can make the perfect example. So what I'm going to do is just go to reshape this graph shape, go to reshape, and what you can do is swipe this, and it can change the whole thing. Look at this, see, and do like this. It can change the whole thing, but I'm just gonna cancel this. What I'm going to do is reshape and go to refine. So from this refine you can click here and then swipe this a little bit. See it's going there. And for example, you can increase their boobs. See, look at this. Now it is making much more appealing. So this is not a very difficult task, very easy task. All you need to do is install Sweet Selfie, check in the description to install, and all the best.